सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। कूजन्तं राम रामेति मधुरं मधुराक्षरम् आरुह्य कविता शाखां वन्दे वाल्मीकि कोकिलम्। नमस्कारः, स्वागतं। षट्सप्तति उत्तर सप्तत्युत्तरत्रिशततमी कक्षाद्य वयम् एतावत्पर्यन्तं द्वित्रिंशत् श्लोकाः अस्माभिः पठिताः, परन्तु गतकक्षायां तु सार्धद्विश्लोकाः, 30 श्लोकः, 31 श्लोकः, 32 श्लोकस्य अर्धभागः पठितः अस्माभिः। एवं सार्धद्विश्लोकाः अस्माभिः पठिताः। तत्सम्बन्धी अभ्यासानपि वयं कुर्मः। किं कृतम् अस्माभिः? पदच्छेदः कृतः गतकक्षायां, पदपरिचयः अपि पठितः दृष्टः अस्माभिः। आकांक्षा अद्य पठनीया अस्ति। श्रीनिवास, आकांक्षा इदानीं पठ्यताम्। न्यवसन् इति क्रियापदं नि उपसर्गपूर्वकात् वस धातोः लङ्गि भूतकाले, लङ् नाम भूतकाले एतद् पदं प्रयुक्तमस्ति। न्यवसन्, न्यवसत्, न्यवसतां, न्यवसन्। नि अवसत्, न्यवसत्, न्यवसतां, न्यवसन्। प्रथमपुरुषे बहुवचनं। के न्यवसन्, हू लिव्ड। न्यवसन् मीन्स लिव्ड, बहुवचने। न्यवसत्, वन पर्सन लिव्ड। न्यवसन्, वसन्ति इति धातु अस्ति खलु, लटि। इन प्रेजेंट टेंस यू हैव वसति, वसता, वसन्ति, like भवति, भवतः, भवन्ति. Because of ni upasarga, we separate ni and put that past tense marker akara, and ni plus a sandhi is bound to take place, nya, and t is the past tense ending termination. So you get t, tam, an. Nyavasat, nyavasatam, nyavasan. Okay? Ke nyavasan? Te nyavasan. Te punah ke, te ke means who are they? The answer for ke nyavasan, who lived? They lived. Who are they? Te ke.
गुहेन लक्ष्मणेन सीतया च सन्निधः रामः इति ते त्रयः.
Now I have told several times this te is very phonetically similar to English. English is rather closer to Sanskrit, must have been derived, influenced by Sanskrit, because we say te in Sanskrit and in English they say de. Tavarga only. Tavarga, first letter we say, they say the third letter. Ta, tha, da. Te, de. So te ke guhena lakshmanena sitaya cha sahitah ramah te trayah. So te means along with Guha, Lakshmana and Sita, Rama, they three. Okay. Te katham nyavasan, how did they live? Katham nama how?
Te sukham nyavasan.
Sukham nama sukhena nyavasan iti. Sukham and sukhena both are same. Adverbially used here. They lived happily. Te sukham sukhena nyavasan. Te, okay. Kidrushaha te sukham nyavasan. What type of those people lived happily?
Devagandharva sankashaha te sukham nyavasan.
Devagandharva sankashaha te sukham nyavasan. They lived happily like the Devas, gods and Gandharvas, like gods and Gandharvas. Deva Gandharva Sankashaha Tulyaha. They were like gods and the Gandharvas. Lived happily. Okay. Kim Krutva te Sukham Nyavasan. Doing what they lived happily?
Vanena vanam gatva.
Moving from one place, one forest to the other forest. Vanena vanam gatva iti. There is an interpretation here, Srinivas. Vanena vanam. Te vanena vanam gatva sukham nyavasan. They lived happily going from one forest to the other forest. Now they say te trayaha te vanena. There is a word called te vanena. Te is not to be separated. Teva nena. Tevana means krida. There is a meaning. So, tevru iti dhatoho. Nishpannam padam tevanam. Tevanam means sport, any krida. Tevanena means padacharena. So, they lived happily by walking from one forest to another forest. That is one interpretation. The Pandits have no, they have to show their scholarship, na. So, te vanena, if you separate te, sahadauti, vanena vanam gatva. But te vanam, tevru dhatu is also there. Te vanena means very sportively, happily, and that is by te vanam padacharena. By walking from one place to another place, they lived very happily. So, what suggestion we get here? If you go from one place to another on foot, then you will enjoy life. That is the suggestion coming here. Like people going to Tirumala, going by bus or by car is different, but by going on foot, climbing the staircase is totally different. That pleasure is different, isn't it? Like that. Tevanena is interpreted that. Next. Punascha, kim krutva. Again doing what?
Bahudakaha nadihi tirtva.
Bahudakaha nadihi tirtva. Crossing over rivers full of water in those. Not like the rivers of the present day which are getting dried totally. Then punaha kim krutva. Again doing what?
Chitrakutam anuprapya.
Chitrakutam anuprapya. Reaching the place called Chitrakuta. Anuprapya means gatva, samipam gatva. So reaching that place called Chitrakuta. Kasya anuशासनात्, by whose instruction? By the instruction of Bharadwaja sage. Te vane kim krutva sukham nyavasan. How did they live happily doing in the forest? Doing what? Doing what they lived happily in the forest, rather.
Te vane
ramyam
avasatham krutva ramamanaha
sukham nyavasa. Te means te trayaha Rama Lakshmana Sita. Sita Rama Lakshmanaha vane aranye ramyam avasatam gruham parnashalam ramyam parnashalam krutva ramamanaha enjoying sukham nyavasan, happily lived. They lived happily, erecting, creating one residence for them, beautiful residence for them. So now Anvayartha Srinivas.
Guhena Lakshmanena Sitaya cha sahitah Ramaha vanena vanam gatva bahudakaha nadihi tirtva Bharadvajasya shasanat Chitrakutam anuprapya vane ramyam avasatham krutva devagandharva samkashaha te trayaha ramamanaha sukham nyavasan.
Guhena Lakshmanena Sitaya cha sahitah Ramaha. Rama accompanied by Guha, Lakshmana, Sita, vanena vanam gatva, going from one place to another on foot, understood. Srinivas. Bahudakaha nadihi tirtva, crossing over rivers full of bahu udakam yasam tirtva, the grammatical will see. Bharadvajasya shasanat anuशासनात् Chitrakutam anuprapya, Chitrakuta samipam gatva vane ramyam avasatam nivasam krutva deva gandharva sankashaha deva gandharva tulyaha te trayaha ramamanaha bhogamanaha sukham nyavasan. They lived happily. So Padartha Srinivas.
Guhanamna nishadena Lakshmanena Lakshmana namakena anujena Sitaya cha sahitaha Janakya cha saha.
Okay. Guhena, Guha namna nishadena. By hunter by name Guha. I have already explained why he is called Guha. Lakshmanena Anujena, with his younger brother Lakshmana. Sitayacha Sahitaha, along with Sita. Next. Ramaha Raghavaha.
Vanena Aranyena Vanam Aranyam Gatva Prapya Bahudakaha Gabhiraha.
Bahudakaha Gabhiraha. Gabhiraha means containing much deep water. Gabhiraha. Gahiri, deep waters. Yeah, next. Nadihi. Saritaha. Saritau Saritaha. Nadi, Nadyau. Nadyaha, but Nadihi is Dvitiya Bahuvachana here. Nadihi Tirtva. Nadyaha Tirtva itina. Nadihi Tirtva Saritaha. Sarit Shabda is Dvitiya Bahuvachana is also Sarit, Saritau Saritaha, Saritam, Saritau Saritaha. No difference. Yes, Tirtva Uttirya. Nama Rushehe. Agneya Chitrakutam. Namakam Parvatam. Okay. Namanam Parvatam. Anuprapya Sangamya. Vane Ramyam Manoharam. Avasatam Sthanam. Nivasasthanam. Avasasthanam Nama Nivasasthanam. Krutva Nirmaya. Deva Gandharva Sankashaha. Sankasha means Sadrusha, Tulya. So, Gandharva Ganam Dharayati iti Gandharvaha. Those who sing always, they are called Gandharvas. Te Trayaha Sita Rama Lakshmanaha Ramamanaha Viharantaha Shatru Sukham Sukhapurvakam Nyavasan Nivasam Akurvan Nivasam Akurvan iti Padarthaha Bhavarthaha idanim
Guhanamna Nishadena Anujena Lakshmanena Bharyaya Janakya cha Saha Ramaha Ekasmat Vanat Aparam Vanam Gatva Gabhiraha Nadischa Titva Bharadvajasya Rusheha Agneya Chitrakutam Prapya Ramaniyam Avasam cha Prakalpya Deva Gandharva Sadrusha Sukham
Vasam Akarot. Guha Namna Nishadena Vyadhena, by a hunter, forest chieftain by name Guha, Anujena Lakshmanena, along with his younger brother Lakshmana, Bharyaya, Sitaya, Janakya Chasaha, along with his wife Janaki or Sita, Ramaha, Ekasmat Vanat, Vanena Vanam Nama, Vanat, Ekasmat Vanat, Vanat, Aparam Vanam, Anyam Vanam, Anyat Vanam, Gatva, Gabhiraha Nadihi cha Tirtva, crossing over the rivers full of water, deep water as you can say, and then Tirtva Bharadvajasya Rushehe Agneya Anugneya Agneya Shasanena Chitrakutam Prapya, reaching a place called Chitrakuta by the order of the Bharadvaja. Ramaniyam Avasam Avasasthanam Prakalpya, creating, Prakalpya means creating a wonderful, lovely place for their living. Deva Gandharva Sadrushaha, like God and Gandharva, looking like God and Gandharva. Sukham, very happily, Vasam Akarot, he made a residence. Now English I think is okay here. The three sojourn happily there, sporting in the woods like gods and Gandharvas. Okay. But in the Bhavartha, Akarot, not one, all of them lived like gods and Gandharvas. In here, Avasam cha Prakalpya, Deva Gandharva Sadrushaha Sukham Vasam Akurvan, it should have been. Akarot, it is not one Rama that enjoyed their living. All of them lived, because that is the text says Nyavasan. But here Akarot, Rama, one, it's okay. Now Nidarshanam Srinivas. Vyakaranamsha. Sandhi, oh, many sandhis are coming. Visarga Lopa Sandhi. Again, Visarga Sandhi. Ramaha Lakshmanena Visarga Sandhi.
Deva Gandharva Sankashastatra
Deva Gandharva Sankashaha Tatra Visarga Sandhi. All Visarga except one. Nadis Tirth. Nadihi Tirtva. Nyavasan.
Ni plus
Avasan Nyanadisha Sandhi. Ni plus Avasan Nyavasan. No, Sandhis are very quite easy only. Samasa.
Bahudakaha, Bahuni Udakani Yasutaha, Bahudakaha, Bahuvrihi.
So firstly it is Bahuvrihi. Bahuni Udakani. Udaka Shabda you know?
Yeah.
Jalam. Udakam Udake Udakani. Bahuni Udakani. Yasu Nadishu. Yasu Nadishu understood. Taha Nadyaha. Taha. What is Taha referring to? Those Nadyaha. Yasu Nadishu. Taha Nadyaha. Bahudakaha. That is it. Taha Bahudakaha Nadihi Ityasya Viseshanam. This is an adjective for Nadihi Shabda. Next.
Deva Gandharva Sankashaha, Devascha
Gandharvascha
Deva Gandharvaha,
Dvandva Samasa.
Deva Gandharvaihi
Sankashaha.
Deva Gandharva Sankashaha, Tritiya Tatpurusha, Sankashaha,
Tulyaha Samanaha. Deva Gandharvaihi Samanaha Tulyaha Sadrushaha Sankashaha Nama. Next, Ga Krudantas.
Gatva Gam Dhatu plus
Tva.
Kvanta.
Tirtva, same. Tru Dhatu. Tarati. Taranam. Tru. Tarati Tirtva. Having crossed. Anuprapya. Anu iti upasarga. Para iti upasarga. At iti dhatu. Lyap prayoga. So there are two prepositions, upasargas. In Anu Prapya. Anu is one, pra is one. Krutva. Kru plus Ktva. Krutva. Ramamana. Rama iti dhatu. Atmanepadi vartate. Shanach. So only Atmanepada dhatus get Shanach. Parasmaipada dhatus get Shatru. Shatru. Patantau patantaha. That is Parasmaipadi. If it is Atmanepadi, Vandamanaha, Vandamano, Vandamanaha. Like that, Ramamanaha, Ramamanaha. Then Ram plus Yat, Yat suffix, which from you get Ya, Ramya, means lovely. Ramya means lovely, adjectively used. Now Kosha is coming, Srinivas.
Paschat Sadrushya.
Sadrushya Yoranu. Anu is used in the sense of Paschat, afterward. Anu, like Anujaha in the word Agrajaha, Anujaha. Agrejataha, Agrajaha, Anunama, Paschajataha. That is the word correct. One who is born afterwards. Therefore he is Anujaha, younger. Understand? Sadrushyayo, and also it is used in the sense of similarity. Anu. Next. Avasatam. Dhishnam, I'm sorry. Dishnyam moko. Dishnyam okaha. The first word is Dishnya. Dishnya. Dishnam means place. Napumsakam. Dishnam oka. Okaha means residence. If you have ever heard the word Divaukasaha, Devatas are called Divaukasaha. Divam Okaha Eshante Divaukasaha. Gods whose residence is heaven, Divam. Understand? Oka Shabda is there. Oka Shabda. Okay, next. Nivasanam. Nivasanam is a place of residence.
Sthanavasatha Vastu.
Sthana is also there. Nivasanam, Sthanam, Avasata, Avasata Vastu. Avasataha, that is Avasata. Vastu is there. There is what Srinivas here. Sthana plus Avasata plus Avasata Vastu. Vastu is also a word, Napumsakalinga. That is where Vastu Vidya. Vastu means place of living. Vastu. Vastu means any place of residence, abode. So in this, this is Amara Kosha. So what are the word for place of residence? Dishnam, Okaha, Nivasanam, Sthana, Avasatana, and then Vastu. That is why the word Vastu Vidya is there. So that is Kosha. Then Avadiyam. What is to be noted here, Srinivas? Kriya Viseshana Vishayi. About the Kriya Viseshana means adverb. That which specifies an action is called adverb. Srinivas. Kriya Viseshana Vishayi. What is Kriya Viseshana here you come across? Ramyam. No, Sukham. Srinivas. Sukham. Sukhena. Shanach we have already noted. Shanach is used with only Atmane Padinam Dhatunam Yoge Eva Shanach Pratyantaha Prayujyate Natu Parasmaipati Dhatunam Vishayi. So that is it. Shanach Vishayi. Abhyasaha Shodashaha 16th. Now very simple one, part 1. Ramyam Avasatam Sukham Yavasan, that's it. Happily lived. Bahudakaha Nadihi Ramamanaha Tetrayaha. So 1 is done, 2 is K, 3 is I'm sorry. Sukham, 2 is Gha, 3 is K, 4 is K. They can find out. Repeating. Sukham Nyavasan Bahudakaha Nadihi Ramamanaha Tetrayaha. Dvitiyamshaha Prashnottaram Yatha Slokam Yojeta. No, do that. What type of Rama, Lakshmana and Sita lived in the forest? Looking like what? Kidushaha means. What? Look. Then Ga. Deva Gandharva Sadrushaha Sankashaha Sadrushaha. Word is changed here. Deva Gandharva Sankashaha Rama Lakshmana Sitaha Vane Nyavasan. Okay. Ramadayaha Kutra Ramyam Avasatam Krutavantaha. Where did Rama and others make beautiful residence? Vane. Very simple. Kutra is replaced by Vane. Ramadayaha Vane Ramyam Avasatam Krutavantaha. Okay. 3. Sita Lakshmanam cha Atirichya. Other than Sita and Lakshmana, Ramena Saha along with Rama, Vane in the forest, Anyaha Kaha Asit. Who else was there? Who else was there with Rama other than Sita and Lakshmana? So Guhaha. That is Ka. 4th. Bharadwajasya Shasanat Ramaha Kutra Gataman. Where did Rama go by the instruction of Bharadwaja? Chitrakutam. Kutra replaced by Chitrakutam. Then finally, Guhaha iti kasya nama asit. Whose name was Guha? Nishadadhipatihi. That is Gha. I think this is quite simple. Repetition. Rapidly. 1 Ga, 2 Ka, 3 Kha, 4 Nga, 5 Gha. They can follow it. 3. Shanajanta Rupena Yatochitam Riktam Sthanam Purayata. Now fill in the blanks with the present active participle called Shanach. Srinivas. 1 is done. Sa labhate means she gets. Sa labhamana means she getting, while getting. Okay? Te rajante. No. Rajante, dhatu is rajante. Rajate, rajete, rajante. In Shanach, this is Atmanepada. So, rajamanaha, not ranja. Rajamanaha. 3. Eshaha vandate. Eshaha vandamanaha. Ekavachana. If it is The subject is singular, you make it singular. For example, te is what? Plural, na?
Yes.
Second one.
Yes.
Te rajante. And the above one, first one, sa, ekavachana. If it is taha labhante, those ladies get, then it would have been taha labhamanaha only. Then visarga would have been added there. 3, 4, Srinivas.
Aham
Strilinge.
Vande.
See, the speaker here is 3.
Aham vandamana.
That's it. Aham vandamana. If it is Pullinga,
Aham vandamana.
if it is Napumsakalinga,
Aham vandamanam.
Vandamanu. There can't be Napumsakalinga. No Napumsakalinga can speak. So Vandamanaha or Vandamana. Computer can speak, of course. 5.
Yuvam strim.
Strilinge modete, modase, modethe, modadve. This is lat. Present tense. First you try to understand that modethe. Second person. This is how many? That is bhivachana. Modase, modethe, modadve. Mode, if you go to Uttam Purusha, mode, modavahe, modamahe. Third person, Prathama Purusha, modate, modete, modante, modante. So here is specifically Strilinga in second person. Yuvam. So how do you derive? Strilinga. What is Strilinga? Fourth, check. You said Vandamana. Then you go to derive. Vandamana. That's it. Vandamani. Modamani. Yuvam modamani. You both are enjoying. Supposing Yuvam place, Yuyam is there, Strilinga. Then how do you convert? Modadve is there, anko. Supposing. Yuyam modamanaha. That's it. Okay? Right. Next. 6. Kurdavahe. We both jump. We both are jumping. That is the meaning of this. Avam. Strilinga. Purlinga. Okay.
Avam kurdamanav.
Kurdamanaha kurdamanav. Yes. Avam kurdamanav swaha. We are jumping. Kurdamanav. Good. 7th. Taha yachante. Those ladies are begging. Taha. Very simple. Yacha mana mane manaha. Yacha manaha. Yacha manaha. 8th. Chauraha palayante.
Chauraha palayamanaha.
Thieves are running away. The running away thieves. Palayamanaha. Then navaha plavante. Boats are plying.
Navaha.
This is nau, navau, nava. Bahuvachana. Plavante.
Plavamanaha.
That's it. Navaha plavamanaha. And the 10th one, mandukaha utplavante.
Mandukaha utplavamanaha.
Utplava is to jump. The frogs are jumping, leaping, otherwise leaping. Frogs are. Yes, utplavante. Ante is there, na? It is not anti. Anything ending in ante is atmanepada. Ramante. Not anti. Anti is parasmayapada. Ante is atmanepada. So mandukaha utplavante, mandukaha utplava manaha. So this may have to be written, Srinivas. You have done almost all, so you can tell me now. Exercise number 16.
Yeah, 0.3. Small Roman 2. 1 is
Okay.
Te rajante te राजमानाः पृथ्वी एषः वन्दते एषः वन्दमानः अहं स्त्रीलिंग वन्दे अहं वन्दमाना
5.
युवान् स्त्रीलिंग मोदेथे युवान् मोदमाने 6 आवां पुंलिंग ऊर्धावहे आवां ऊर्धमानो 7 ताः याचन्ते ताः याचमानाः 8 चौराः पलायन्ते चौराः पलायमानाः 9 नावः प्लवन्ते नावः प्लवमानाः 10 मण्डूकाः उत्प्लवन्ते मण्डूकाः उत्प्लवमानाः
Oh, this is coming in between. Is the sound coming? I just came into. So these are the answers. एतानि उत्तराणि पश्यन्तु कृपया. अनन्तरं चतुर्थः अंशः असमानार्थकं शब्दं पृथक् कुरुत. Now, odd man out is coming up here.
Number 1.
Yes.
प्रसन्नः सदृशः समः तुल्यः
संकाशः.
प्रसन्नः.
Very clearly, सुस्पष्टम् अस्ति अत्र सदृश समः तुल्यः संकाशः. एते चत्वारः शब्दाः अपि समानार्थे प्रयुक्ताः सन्ति, परन्तु प्रसन्नः इति भिन्न अर्थे एव अस्ति. प्रसन्नः नाम तुष्टः सन्तुष्टः इति. ओके, प्रसन्नः आउट.
Number 2. विस्तृतं रम्यं रमणीयं सुखकरं मनोहरं. विस्तृतं.
Very easily is giving. It should have given in the middle only to confuse you. Vistrutam is odd, bhinnam, ramyam, ramaniyam, sukhakaram, manoharam, all are synonymous. Okay, 3.
शासनम् आदेशः अनुज्ञा प्रणयः अनुज्ञापनं प्रणयः.
Pranaya. Shasanam is instruction, Adesha is instruction, Anugna is permission, Anugnapanam is taking leave, but Pranaya is love. This is totally odd. Okay, Bhinnam. 4. Avasah.
Nagaram avasatah vasah.
Avasatah Vasaha. Nagaram. All are residences, but Nagaram is city. So odd man Nagaram out. 5. Bahudaka.
Prachura jala. Gabhira, Alpanira, Alpanira.
Very clearly it is given Alpanira. Bahu Udakaha is given Prachura. Prachura means again more Jala. Gabhiraha, Gambhiraha, and then Alpaniraha is Prutak. Kurmaha. Tirtva.
Parangatva, Uttirya, Avagahya.
Which one?
Avagahya.
Yes, Avagahya one. Uttirya crossing, Gatva going, Param Gatva means going across. Crossing, Tirtva crossing. Avagahya means taking a plunge, diving. Avagahya means Nadyam Avagahya, taking a plunge into the river. So avagahya. Now rapidly we sum up Srinivas. 1 prasannaha, 2 vistrutam, 3 pranayah, 4 nagaram, 5 alpanira, and the last one 6 is avagahya, which means having plunged, bathed in, etc. Yato panchamamshaha yatodaharanam riktam sthanam. Now fill in the blanks. Coming to the end of this, one more, 2 more. Ram,
yat, ramya.
yat is a suffix used here from which you get ya, so ramya, enjoyable, pleasing, charming, etc. Then gam, gamya. Gamya means accessible, to be gone over. Gamya. Nam becomes
namya,
respectable. Nam ya, yat namya. What happened? 4.
shakya,
Shakya, possible. Shak, yat shakya. Pada,
padya,
padya. Padya means what belongs to the pada, foot. Padya. Padya also means Padyam means a poem also. Padyate iti padyam, that which goes on a specific meter. That is why it is called padyam. So padya, all are added with yat only here. 5 are given, rapidly done. So yat, second is gamya, namya, shakya, padya. Simple. Shashtamsha. Yathodaharanam riktam sthanam. Now fill in the blanks. As given in the, take the word given in the bracket. For example, this is also simple. Sukha is there. Sukham vasati, lives happily. Next.
mandam hasati,
Laughs
slowly.
Everywhere adverb like li. Angla Bhashayam, beautifully, slowly, violently, like that. Chalati,
Shighram chalati,
moves fastly. Moves fastly or fast. Then 4.
savadhanam patati,
Savadhanam patati, reads attentively. Savadhanam, carefully. Likhati,
spashtam likhati,
spashtam likhati means writes clearly. Again li. Mr. Lee is coming here. 6. Pachati, sustu, not sustum. I thought you would make that. No sustum, because it is ukaranta, na? So it doesn't take that anuswara. Sustu, same, sustu. Sustu pachati, cooks well. Sustu stands as it is. Because of ukara, if you remember any ukaranta napumsakalinga shabda, madhu, madhuni, madhuni, madhu, madhu, madhuni. It doesn't change. It doesn't take anuswara in prathama as well as in dvitiya also, like that. Sustu. Because of its ending, it stands same. 7.
spashtam ucharati,
Spashtam. Spashta becomes spashtam. Pronounces clearly. Spashtam is clearly. Next.
sanandam nivasati,
Lives happily. Happily. Gayati. Madhuram gayati. Sings melodiously. Madhuram sings lovely. Sings melodiously. Ucharati. Tara. Taraswara. Taram. Tara becomes taram ucharati. Pronounces loudly. This taraswara is something like where are taras? Tarasthai. Where are tara? In the. So the voice should reach up to that point. That is why it is called taraswarena. Taraswarena. Okay? So very simple. Rapidly summing up. Mandam asati, shighram chalati, savadhanam patati, spashtam likati, sustu pachati, spashtam ucharati, sanandam nivasati, madhuram gayati, and finally taram ucharati. Saptamamshaha, antimamshaha. Atra pradattan shabdan prayujya, using these words given here, katichana vakyani likata, write few sentences of your own. This is for your creativity. Now, first one.
Sita Lakshmana Sahita Ramaha Aranyam Gaccha.
What did you say? Sita
Lakshmana Sahita Sahita first.
No. You should use Tritiya with the person with whom this Sahita is.
Sitaya Lakshmanena Sahita.
Sitaya Lakshmanena Sahitaha Ramaha. That is Sitaya Lakshmanena Sahitaha Ramaha Vane Avasat. Lived in the forest. Ramaha. Yeah, Sahita. You can make any sentence. Sitaya Lakshmanena Sahitaha Ramaha Vanam Gacchati. Rama goes to the forest being accompanied by Sita and Lakshman. Sitaya Lakshmanena Sahitaha Ramaha. Rama accompanied by these two. Okay? Sahitaha. So one sentence you have done very correctly. That is contextual. Any other sentence can you think? Personal sentence. I go together with my son to temple. Aham putrena sahitaha aham gacchami. That's a simple sentence. Putrena sahitaha aham or aham putrena sahitaha being a mandiram gacchami. So like that they can make. We'll write later. Tirtva. Now ready-made sentence from the context is Nadihi Tirtva or Nadim Tirtva. Nadim Tirtva. Vanat Vanam Agachan. Ramaha Nadim Tirtva Vanat Vanam Agachat.
Chitrakutam Prapya.
Ramaha Nadihi Tirtva Chitrakutam Praptavan. Reached Chitrakuta. So that way you can do. Samsara Sagaram Tirtva Moksham
Praptavan.
Who is Praptavan? Samsara Sagaram Tirtva Moksham Prapnomi. So let us suppose. Otherwise, Moksham Praptavyaha. Ramya, adjective. Rama plus Yat. Now, a simple example I will give you. Ramya Ramayani Katha. Ramayana Katha. Ramya Ramayana Katha. Sarvaihi Shrotavya. Ramya. There is one criticism about in Ramayana. We are reading Ramayana only. Sundare Sundari Lanka. Sundare Sundari Sita. Sundare Sundari Katha. Sundare Kinna Sundaram. What is not beautiful in the Sundarakanda? That is why it is called Sundarakanda. Whereas if you look at the other namings of the Kandas, Balakanda, Ayodhya Kanda, Aranya Kanda, Kishkinda Kanda, Yuddha Kanda, then Sundara Kanda, followed by Yuddha Kanda and Uttara Kanda. Every Kanda is named with some specific place or thing. But why this is called Sundara Kanda? Sundara also means in Sanskrit monkey. It is a synonymous word for monkey. Because where Hanuman dominated in Sundara Kanda. Sundara nama tatra kapihi iti ityapi artaha bhavati iti panditaha kathayanti. So Sundarakanda dominance is of Hanuman. And not only that, Sundare Sundari Lanka, Sundare Sundari Sita, Sundare Sundari Katha, Sundare Kinna Sundaram. What is not beautiful in the Sundarakanda? Everything is beautiful. Lanka is beautifully described by Valmiki. The story is very beautiful. Hanuman is beautiful also, for that matter. So that is why Ramya. Any other? Ramayana Katha Ramya Asti. One sentence. Ramyam Ramayana Katham Pathami. Ramyam Ramayana Katham, Katham Pathami. Ramyam Ramayana Katham Shrunomi. Ramyam Vishnoho Nama Japami. Ramyam Vishnoho Nama Japami. Anything you can make. Then Rama. Lati, no problem. Present tense is asking you to make sentence.
ते वने
Ramante. Lat means present tense you have to make. Vartamana kale. Te Sita Rama Lakshmanaha. Te Sita Rama Lakshmanaha vane ramante sma. Enjoy it. Okay? Samskrita adhyayane vayam ramamahe. Vayam samskritadhyayane ramamahe. We are enjoying in the study of Sanskrit. Aham rame ramavahe ramamahe. Ye संस्कृताध्ययने न रमन्ते ते विरमन्ति ते अध्ययनं विरमन्ति ये न रमन्ते ते विरमन्ति रमन्ते पंडिताः विरमन्ति रमन्ते मूढाः विरमन्ति पंडिताः संसारे देयर इज अ पोएम एक्चुअली विरमन्ति पंडिताः रमन्ते मूढाः अस्मिन् संसारे संसार ऐहिक विषयान् प्रति. So Ramadhatu is that. Then finally Sankasha, like. Ramah Deva Sankashah asti. Ramah Vishnu Sankashah. Sita Rama Lakshmanaha Deva Sankashah, Deva Sadrushaha. Ramah Vishnu Sankashah. That is a fine sentence. Anything more you want to make? Sankasha?
Kapihi nama Sundarapada Sankasha.
No. Sundarapada Sankasha. Acha, you are saying that. You can make it, but it is not somehow sounding. Kapihi Paryaya Padamadi. Paryaya Padam vartate. Sundara Shabdasya Paryaya Padam Kapihi. तुल्यार्थेन भवति पर्याय. Okay, that is fine. Now shall we write few sentences for the sake of our students? What is the point, Srinivas? 7. One. Point 1, huh? Putrena Sahitaha. Not necessary. Mandiram Gacchami. Aham is understood. Next.
Nadim Tirtha Chitrakutam
कूटम गतवान रामः राम गतवान प्राप्तवान. रामः 3.
Ramya Ramavaya Katha
रम्या श्रोतव्या. Next. 4.
राम
Sitaram.
राम लक्ष्मणाः
Sitaram
लक्ष्मणाः
Lakshmana
वने रमन्ति
Ramanti Sma. One more. Last one.
ते देवगन्धर्वसङ्काशाः
Te Trayah
देवगन्धर्व
Deva Gandharva You can write with anuswarams. Sankashaha Asan. They were Asan.
पुत्रेण सहितं मन्दिरं गच्छामि नदीं तीर्त्वा चित्रकूटं प्राप्तवान् रामः रम्या रामायणकथा श्रोतव्या
Srotavya
सीता रामलक्ष्मणाः वने रमन्ते स्म
ते त्रयः
देवगन्धर्वसङ्काशाः आसन्
So evam katichana vakyani vayam कृतवन्तः निर्मितवन्तः अनन्तरं श्लोकद्वात्रिंशः त्रयस्त्रिंशः अर्धभागः एव पठ्यताम् देवगन्धर्व
गन्धर्वसङ्काशास्तत्र देज्ञवसं सुखम् चित्रकूटं गते रामे पुत्रशोकातुरः तथा राजा दशरथः स्वर्गं जगाम विलपन् सुतम्
देवगन्धर्व that is over चित्रकूटं गते रामे पुत्रशोक शोकातुरः तथा तथा स्थाने अन्येषु तत्र पाठान्तरमस्ति श्रीनिवास तदा इति अपि अस्ति तदा in the place of तथा तदा also is there तदा इति महेश्वर तीर्थ पाठः there is a reading separate version of Maheshwara Tirtha tada okay Raja Dasharatha Swargam Jagama Vilapan Sutam Vilapan Padachedam Pada Parichaya
चित्रकूटं अकारत पुल्लिंग द्वितीय एकवचन
गते
अकारत पुल्लिंग सप्तमी एकवचन
रामे
अकारत पुल्लिंग सप्तमी एकवचन
पुत्र शोकातुरः
अकारत पुल्लिंग प्रथमा एकवचन
समस्तम तथा
अव्ययम्
राजा
नपुंसक
नकारान्त
अकारत पुल्लिंग प्रथमा एकवचन
दशरथः
अकारत पुल्लिंग प्रथमा एकवचन
स्वर्गम
अकारत पुल्लिंग द्वितीय एकवचन
जगाम गम
गम धातु कर्तरि लटि सॉरी लिट
लिट
प्रथमा पुरुष
एकवचनम जगाम विलपन
विलपन् शब्द तकारान्त पुल्लिंग प्रथमा एकवचन सुतम्
इति शत्रुप्रत्ययान्तं वस्तुतः सुतम् अकारान्त
पुल्लिंग द्वितीय
एकवचनम् आकांक्षा जगाम वेंट कः जगाम हु वेंट
राजा जगाम
द किंग वेंट कः राजा जगाम विच किंग वेंट
राजा दशरथः जगाम
किंग दशरथ वेंट राजा कीदृशः राजा दशरथः स्वर्गं जगाम
राजा दशरथः पुत्र जगाम
ओ राजा दशरथ कुत्र जगाम वेयर डिड राजा किंग दशरथ गो
राजा दशरथः स्वर्गं जगाम
किंग दशरथ went to the heaven. It is not simple going went to the heaven, joined the heaven. Okay. Kidrushah Raja, what type of king Dasharatha go to the heaven?
पुत्र शोकातुरः राजा दशरथः स्वर्गं जगाम
Being afflicted by the sorrow of his son's separation, King Dasharatha went to heaven. Raja Dasharatha kim kurvan swargam jagama. Doing what did King Dasharatha go to the heaven?
राजा दशरथः विलपन् स्वर्गं जगाम
King Dasharatha went to the heaven crying. Raja Dasharatha kam vilapan swargam jagama. Crying about whom did King Dasharatha go to the heaven?
Raja Dasharatha sutam vilapan swargam jagama.
King Dasharatha joined the heavens, went to the heaven, crying about his son. Next, Dasharatha kada swargam jaga. When did Dasharatha go to the heaven?
Dasharatha Rame Chitrakutam Gate Swargam Jaga.
Dasharatha Rame Chitrakutam Gate Sati. This is Sati Saptami Prayoga is coming. Lot of practice is there. Swargam jaga. When Rama left for the forest, at a time when Rama left for the forest, King Dasharatha went to the heaven. He joined the great majority. Anvayaha.
Rame Chitrakutam Gate Putra Shokaturaha Raja Dasharatha Sutam Vilapan Swargam Jaga.
Very simple Arvayartha. Rame Chitrakutam Gate Sati. When Rama left for Chitrakuta, Putra Shokaturaha, Putra Shoka Piditaha, Raja Bhupalaha Dasharatha Sutam Vilapan, crying about his son, Swargam Jagama, Swargam Agamat. He went to the Swarga. Padartha.
Rame Radhave Chitrakutam Gade Chitrakutam Prapte
Putra Shokaturaha Yoga Dukkha Piditaha Putra Yoga Dukkha Piditaha
Raja Bhupaha Dasharatha Ayodhyadhipatihi
Sutam Putram.
Vilapan Rudat
Oh, Rudat. Krandan, you can say Rudat.
Swargam Swargalokam Jagama Gatava. Sanskritam Bhavartha.
Yeah.
Rame Chitrakutam Prapte Putra Viyogam Asahamanaha Raja Dasharatha Putrartham Vilapan Swargalokam Gatava.
Bhavartha is Rame Chitrakutam Prapte Sati. This is Sati Saptami, absolutive in Saptami Vibhakti. When two things take place, one is put in the Saptami Vibhakti. When two happenings take simultaneously, Rama going to the forest, at the same time Dasharatha dying. So we put the preceding action in Saptami Vibhakti. Along with the participle. Rame Chitrakutam Gate Prapte Gate Sati. While Rama left for the Chitrakuta, reached, this happened. Sati Saptami. We touched it. Shashti. Yeah, verb will have to be in Saptami. Verb and the subject. Participle verb only. So Prapte. Putra Viyogam Asahamanaha, unable to tolerate the suffering of separation of his son, Raja Dasharatha, the king Dasharatha, Putrartham, for the sake of his son, Vilapan, crying for his son, Swargalokam, to the heaven Gatavan left. Iti Bhavartaha. Atra Angla Anuvadaha na Samyagasti. The English translation is not good, Srinivas. Sri Rama having proceeded to Chitrakuta, Emperor Dasharatha forthwith is ascended. What is this? I think so far the translation has been, I am looking at good, but this is not good. Please make a correction here. When Sri Rama left to Chitrakuta, that should be the translation, Srinivas. When Sri Rama when Sri Rama left to Chitrakuta, Emperor Ashoka, immediately Ashoka came to my mind. Emperor Dasharatha forthwith ascended to heaven. There, a comma is required. Bewailing, this is one word, bewailing his son, comma, stricken as he was, comma, with grief at the separation of his son. At the separation of his son, it is better. Here, at his separation from the son, no, something. I am not very happy. Atra vayam sthapayamaha shubham bhuyat.